Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to make rice steamed bread. To start with, here I have 2 cups of rice. I add water, wash until it becomes clean. I'll be doing the washing about 2 or 3 times. So after washing the first time, I'll strain the water from it, then add fresh water to it and wash the second time. One thing I like about this recipe is that it's so simple to make with just few ingredients. And after washing the rice and it becomes clean, I'll transfer into a pot, add water to it, take to the heat and allow to boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll turn off the heat, strain the water from it, then transfer into a tray and spread out. After spreading out the rice properly on the tray, I'll take to the sunlight for it to dry. After sun drying the rice, here we have our rice dried. Next, we transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your great support. I appreciate you so much. God bless you. And after blending the rice and it has become smooth, here we have our rice, which has been blended into fine powder. Next, I'll transfer into a bowl. I will be setting it aside, then proceed to the next step of making our rice steamed bread. And now to start making our rice steamed bread, we start by adding 1 tablespoon of yeast to 1 cup of lukewarm milk. After adding the yeast to the milk, we stir together until it is properly combined. Once the milk and the yeast is well combined, I'll transfer into the rice powder. Then mix together with a spatula. Mix together until it becomes a paste. After mixing it for some time, I added some water to it so that it can form a paste. And after mixing it for some time, I've gotten my desired consistency. I'll go ahead and add other ingredients to it. So the first ingredient I'll be adding to it is granulated sugar. Mixed together until it is well combined. And next I'll be going in with half teaspoon of salt and mix together once again. And after mixing all the ingredients together and they are well combined, I'll cover and allow to rest for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, here we'll have our rice dough which has increased in size. So I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of melted butter to it and stir together. And after mixing all the ingredients together and they are well combined, I'll set aside. And next, I'll grease the foil paper that I'll be using for the steaming. So as you can see from the video, I've already added little oil to it. So I'll just go ahead and brush the foil paper with the oil. I'll repeat the same process for all the foil paper that I'll be using for the steaming. Once that is done, begin to add our rice paste into the foil paper. Please, when adding the batter to the foil paper, don't allow it to get to the brim so that it can have enough space for it to rise. So as you can see from this video, after adding the batter to it, I did not allow it to get to the brim because I'll be leaving it for some time for it to prove. So next I'll cover with a foil paper. And after covering it very tight, I'll set aside. Repeat the same process with the remaining ones. And after transferring them into foil paper, allow to rest for about 30 minutes for it to prove. And after 30 minutes, I'll be transferring them into a steaming bowl. Take to the heat for them to be steamed. But before steaming them, bring your water to a boil before placing the steaming bowl on it. Allow to steam for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes of steaming them, here we have our steamed rice bread ready. So I'll go ahead and remove them from the foil paper. As you can see, the process of making this steamed rice bread is so easy, and this can serve as a twist for the regular bread for your family. And I guess you might want to try this out. Please let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. And here we have our steamed rice bread, which came out very nice and beautiful. And please, if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and share this with your loved ones. You can enjoy this with any soft drink or tea. And now let's remove our delicious rice steamed bread from the foil paper. This came out very soft and nice. And now we have our delicious fluffy rice steamed bread ready. I'll just go ahead and give one of them a slice. And after giving it a slice, here we have our rice steamed bread ready, which came out very nice and fluffy. Thanks so much for spending your time with me. Have a nice time. See you in my next video. God bless.